Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve my sleek, poofy pony, I guess. So if y'all are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
This is about a week-old wash and go. My hair feels kind of very dry and it's just like not like it's defined up here, but I don't know what this situation is, and I've switched my parts to give this side a break, so we're trying to switch up the look. So first I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner just to add a little bit of moisture back to the hair, also using a little bit of water and just like wetting the roots just a little bit so we can get a little bit of moisture. This feels so refreshing. So to maintain the volume of your puff, you don't want to manipulate the ends that much besides adding a little bit of moisturizer. And for me, I'm gonna use the Kiss Argan and Macadamia. This is their leave-in conditioner, and this stuff smells so good. And two, I like how it just moisturizes my hair. It blends in pretty well. And I'm just kind of doing this where my part is already at and like smoothing it in the same direction that we're gonna be putting our ponytail in. I have been moisturizing and massaging my scalp during the week with like some oils and things like that. This would be such a cute like top bun or top pony. I don't plan on doing my hair like in another style, probably for another week or so. That's really bad because I need to wash it. But before I wash it, I'm gonna go from the low pony to the top knot. Not that that matters. Anyway, next what I want to do is add a little bit of oil, and this is the Kiss Argan and Macadamia hair oil. Y'all, this is not sponsored or anything, but this oil adds so much sheen, and it's thick how I like it. It's not like Jamaican castor oil thick, but it's not like olive oil thin. Like, I just love how it smooths on the hair, if y'all can see. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of this on the bottom of the hair. So I'm just kind of, I don't know what method this is called, but I'm like raking it on the outside to make sure this hair is getting at least a little bit of TLC. Again, not manipulating it too much, and also adding some oil. And we're gonna do that same thing on this side. And I'll probably do this in two sections since my hair is a little thick in the top. Okay. At this point, we done refreshed our wash and go. Okay, so at this point, we pretty much done about refreshed our wash and go. And I actually don't look so bad. Anyway, so from here, I'm gonna use a product that I used in a tutorial before and it left my hair really shiny and I liked it, so we're gonna use it today. And that's the Lotta Body Milk and Honey Hold Me. And this is their Maximum Styling Gel. And so I'm just gonna use a little bit of that and put it all on the, right now I'm doing the shorter side of the sleek pony. And I'm just rubbing that in. And it's not gonna be super tight or anything, because for me to have a thick ponytail, the ponytail itself can't be that tight. So it's almost like a fake pony, I guess. So again, I'm just massaging this gel around the edges of the hair before we get to brushing it. So from here, I'm gonna take just a hard bristle brush and start laying it down. My hair feels so smooth and so soft. Look at that. Yes. And you gotta slowly brush this side since you got your curls and stuff going on. And if you have thicker hair than me, you could do this in sections. So instead of doing the top like I'm doing right now, you could start off by adding some gel to the back portion of your hair. So like right here. And then you can start brushing that down so that it's sleek. And if your hair is not gonna like stay like that while you work with the rest of your hair, you can go ahead and put it in a pony. I'm gonna put it in a loose pony. I'm just wrapping it around once. I'm not even wrapping it around multiple times. And then you can go back to the top portion and slick that down piece by piece. If you're a swoop queen, you could definitely like swoop it all on one side. So if you wanted to do a tight pony, you could do a tight pony like that. So for me, I want my hair to look a little bit more like this. So what I'm gonna do is take one of my bungee bands, and this is, you could use a loose hair, you can use a loose hair tie as well, but this is just something that I got off of Amazon, or was sent to me from someone on Amazon. And it literally, you can adjust the size of the hairband with this little bead. But you want to adjust it before you put it in your hair, or be careful when you're adjusting it in your hair so you don't get none of your hair caught in it. So I like to loosen mine all the way up, put it over my head, and then kind of put it where I want it on my hair. And then I tighten it from afar up to my hair. And then that way it allows for my ponytail to be way larger than it would if I just had a regular ponytail holder on it. And then from here, what I like to do is my swoops, you already know. So I'm gonna take some of the Kiss Edge Fixer. This is their Max Hold Edge Gel. And this is actually in collaboration with Sweetie. And this is Sweet Leash. I guess that's how you say it. And I'm just gonna dip my edge brush in there. Add it to my edges first. First, I like to add it to the edges first, including the part, so it can be very defined. Then I like to take the comb side of it and do my swoops how I do. Then if you want, you can pull out like your little corner hair. I don't know what you call it. And then on this side, if you want to do some swoops, you can do so as well. And then once you add as many edges and swoops and dupes and swoop go dupe, after you add all of that, you can put your headscarf on. Make sure you know it's all settled in, and then that's pretty much it. That's my low, huge, low pony. That's what it looks like from the back. And then again, if you want to make it any tighter, you can. You just have to tighten the string. Do that by doing that. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the new intro and the song. Y'all go ahead and learn it because it's gonna be dropping on every video from here on out. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Also, if you want to decorate your hair, you definitely can by adding like some clips on the side. You know, we love to see that. We love to see it. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. If y'all have watched thus far and you are not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below. By subscribing, you basically join the gym squad, which means you're a part of a community of people who are committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you tenfold. Bye guys.